Chis Escudero defends the performance of the upper chamber, this despite the recent word war among its members. Vicky De Guzman tells us more.
Senator Chis Escudero hopes that the Senate will move on from the current crisis on the fight over the controversial additional public funds. He said that even though the level of debate goes to the point of bringing in personal issues, he still believes that the Senate is still performing well. He added that in the midst of the oral debate among some, he, together with other senators, was still able to push through the Marcos compensation bill.
Alam mo, habang nagbabangayan sila sa floor ng Senado, tinapos namin nila Senator Arroyo at Senator Ginggona yung Marcos Compensation Bill na sa nakaraang 25 taon hindi na-aprubahan ng Kongreso, but finally, na-aprubahan sa Kongreso nito. Hopefully, mapirmahan ng Pangulo Aquino yan in time for the EDSA 1 anniversary sa February 25.
Escudero also says that he is in favor of having all the funds be audited, not just the additional public funds.
Pabor ako na buksan lahat ng libro ng Senado. Tingnan nyo, hindi dapat dalawa. Magandang pakinggan sa telebisyon yung hinihiling ng audit. Pero tingnan nyo yung legalidad. Abogado rin naman siya. Pwede bang gawin yun?
Hindi.
Sa ilalim ng konstitusyon, COA ang dapat nag-audit. Independent constitutional body ang COA. At hindi pwedeng basta-basta utusan ng Senado, lalo na ng isang senador. Hindi rin pwedeng patawan ng kondisyon ang COA na mag-audit kayo at parang walang tiwala, kailangan may nagmamatsyag ng private auditing firm sa likod nyo.
Meanwhile, he believes that the fight over territories by China and Philippines can still be brought up and resolved through proper course of discussion.
Hindi na uso ang giyera bilang paraan na maresolbahan ang pagkakaiba o away o alitan sa pagitan ng dalawang bansa. Nalagaan yan sa usapan. Tiwala ako kay Pangulo Aquino na ano man ang mangyari, hindi niya bibitiwan ang ating karapatan at pagmamayari doon sa inaangkin ng China.
On the other hand, the senatorial candidate Mig Zubiri said that there is a need to install permanent evacuation centers as part of the climate change adaptation of their country.
So what we need to do is to build sturdier evacuation centers. Dili na sila pwede ka-evacuate sa school buildings, dili ka-take sa mga 200 miles per hour, 200 km per hour winds. So, ang construction karon sa mga national government and local government institutions is maghimo sila mga structures na buhos o kanang hasta ilang atop buhos. Dili na pwede ka ng steel trusses ra o mga kahoy. Kay daghan mga kabataan na patay tungod kay ang mga steel trusses nahulog o collapse tungod sa eskwelahan.
Meanwhile, Senator Escudero and Zubiri, together with Nancy Binay and Grace Poe, attended the 17th Carancho Convention in Davao City. For People's Television, Vicky De Guzman.